I'm never doing a haircut myself again. Yo guys, this is Sayan here and you're watching Nothing Scientific. Welcome to my first vlog. Wow, this lockdown's making me flat. So I'm trying out something new on this channel, vlogging. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and we're gonna go out around Austin and I'll show you guys around. So that's why the GoPro. We're gonna take this GoPro out and do some vlogging. Oh man, it needs a lot of confidence. We'll drive around Austin, Texas. We'll get some boba tea and probably get some boba tea before that. I'm gonna keep this vlog short just because it's gonna be a disaster, but we'll find out. Let's get right to it. So I've been in Austin for around 3 years now. Before that I was in College Station, Texas. The College Station was more of a quiet town. We'll go there someday. Austin is more, happening. There are like events going on every now and then. Alright, so we are here at the boba tea restaurant. Let's get that boba tea. So that's the boba tea restaurant. Bowed up. That's where I generally get my boba tea from. So this is how shopping complexes in Austin look like. And this is the first time I'm vlogging in public and it's kind of weird. People are staring at me and judging me for obvious reasons, I guess. I mean, who films a shopping complex, I guess? So yeah, you can see that these shopping complexes are pretty huge and they have a huge parking area. Well, generally on Saturdays, these areas are packed, but because of COVID, I guess it's not as packed today. There are restaurants, barber shops, pet shops, even the clothing stores over here. Yeah, you can pretty much do most of your shopping in such shopping complexes. So there's a Thai restaurant here, which I really like. Me and my friend used to come here sometimes before all this COVID stuff happened. There you see that Thai cuisine, love Thai cuisine. That's a pretty decent Thai restaurant nearby. I hope I'm holding the camera right. I can't even see what the camera sees right now. Let's see how it ends up in post-processing. Okay, so it's pretty hot out here. Probably in the 80s today, or maybe 90s. I didn't really check. I think you can see some sweat coming on my forehead. I am sweating inside my mask. I still can't believe I'm doing this, vlogging outside in public. It's a little weird, but I think I'll get used to this. So there's this Indian restaurant over here as well, Tarka Indian Kitchen. That's a decent enough Indian restaurant, but it's a little westernized. Let's get back to our car now that you saw a glimpse of what shopping complexes look like in Austin. Alright, I just ordered Indian food from Biryani and Grill. That's a nearby restaurant. I ordered special chicken biryani. We'll go grab that when we are on our way back. So now that you've seen a glimpse of how shopping complexes look like in Austin, Texas, let's go drive around Austin. So we are going on a drive to Austin 360 Bridge. That's one of my favorite drives in Austin. It's, the roads are sometimes curvy, sometimes straight, and you go through small hills. It's a really nice drive, so let's go check that out. It's pretty hard to do vlogging, I realized. Like, you have to have everything perfectly set up, and talking to the camera in public places, that's really awkward. And people will be staring at you. People will be thinking that, oh, what is this guy doing? You just have to, be confident and things will work out fine. So I just realized how vloggers make it seem so easy and so seamless on videos. I respect them a lot now. We're driving towards the Austin 360 Bridge. It's one of the more touristy spots in Austin, and people from all around the world visit this place. It's a nice view from the top of the hill right next to this bridge. But I really love the drive. This drive here is really nice. Going through small little hills. It's mesmerizing. Life in Austin just depends on how you want to live it. Do you want to live a quiet, simple life, or do you want to go partying every Friday night? It all depends on you. You've got everything you need here. heading back to my apartment now to see what this vlog turns out to be. I'll meet you at my apartment. Alright, we are reaching our Indian restaurant now. Alright, we got the chicken biryani. Alright, we are back at my apartment to edit that footage we took today, and I have to say the GoPro was a bit of a disappointment. It got overheated and stopped recording several times, it corrupted my SD card at one point of time, and it was suggesting me to format the SD card a few times. So overall, I'm a little disappointed with the GoPro, but maybe I'm just at the initial stages of learning how to use the GoPro. I didn't have such problems when I was recording with my iPhone for the past few months, so it is a little bit of a disappointment. Well, let me eat that biryani. Smash the subscribe button if you like this vlog, and let me know in the comments down below if you like the vlog. Till then, catch you guys on the next one.